In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save gradients in Affinity Designer. If you've ever created a beautiful gradient and wished you could use it again without rebuilding it from scratch, this walkthrough is for you. We'll start with a simple shape, set up a gradient, fine-tune the colors, and then save that gradient so it's ready to apply anytime. First, open the Affinity Designer app on your computer and make sure you have a document open. Any canvas size will work for this. Having a clean workspace helps, so keep the swatches and color panels visible if you can. Next, look to the left toolbar and click the Shape tool. Choose a basic shape like a rectangle or an ellipse, then click and drag on the canvas to draw it. A larger shape makes it easier to see your gradient changes, so don't be afraid to draw it big. Now click the Fill tool, which is Affinity Designer's gradient tool. When the shape is selected, you'll see a gradient line appear across it. This line has handles you can drag to control the direction and spread. Click along the line to add color stops, drag stops to reposition them, and use the diamond midpoint to balance the blend between two colors. If you prefer a different gradient type, such as radial or elliptical, you can switch types in the context toolbar without leaving the Fill tool. With a gradient stop selected, go to the top right area of the interface where the color controls live. Choose your colors here. You can switch between different color models, adjust sliders, or type values if you need precision. Remember, the color you set applies to the currently selected stop on the gradient line, so click the stop you want to change before picking a color. Repeat this for each stop until the gradient looks just right. Once you're happy with the gradient, right-click on the shape. In the context menu, choose Add to Swatches, then select from Fill. This tells Affinity Designer to capture the exact gradient fill you've built and save it as a swatch. You'll find it in your Swatches panel, ready to apply to other shapes with a single click. It saves time and keeps your designs consistent. A quick tip: make sure you're saving from the fill, not the stroke, and keep your document organized by naming palettes if you work with many gradients. That's it. Open the app, create a shape, use the Fill tool, fine-tune colors, right-click, add to swatches, and choose from Fill. Your gradient is now saved and reusable in your project.